Okay, we're going to look at the I do practice. So this is all teacher. You're going to follow along in the video, and then you're going to copy what I am doing. And make sure you have all your materials, your paper, red pen, blue highlighter, and yellow highlighter. Let's look at the directions first. Look at the image. Complete the sentence with the correct preposition. I want to highlight what I need to do. The first thing I need to do is look at the image. I highlight it. I label it number 1. That's part 1, the first thing I need to do. Line after image to tell me that part is finished. And then the second part I need to do is to complete the sentence. Highlight complete the sentence, label it number 2. That is part 2. I need to complete the sentence with the correct preposition. And we've been learning about prepositions. Okay, so on this practice, we have a few different images that we're going to be looking at. Your partner practice will have one large image and many objects inside. So let's look at number 1. The first thing I need to do is I need to read the sentence. The dog or cat is blank the blank. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look in my picture and I'm going to choose either the picture with a dog or the picture with a cat. Okay? And I would like to choose the picture with the dog, F. I'm going to choose F for number 1. Okay? So in my sentence, I chose a dog picture. So the dog, I'm going to highlight dog. I want to highlight dog in blue because the dog is the noun that I am describing. So I highlight dog in blue. In this line here is going to be the preposition. Where is the dog? The dog is, I go back to the picture, and I look, the dog is in front of this picture frame. So in this line I write, dog is in front of. Okay, and then I'm going to put a red box around in front of to remind me that this is the preposition. Okay, then I need to complete the sentence. The dog is in front of. In this line, be where the dog is in front of or what the dog is in front of. So I look back at the picture that I chose, F. What is the dog in front of? The dog is in front of the picture. So to complete my sentence, the dog is in front of the picture. I write picture on the line, period at the end, and then I highlight picture in yellow because that is the location of the dog. I want to highlight, point out all of these parts. And then I move to number 2. The dog is blank the blank, and the cat is blank the blank. So in this sentence, I'm looking for 2 nouns. I am describing 2 nouns. The first noun I'm describing is the dog. So I highlight dog in blue. I'm not going to look at the second part of the sentence because that will just confuse me. So I'm only going to look at the first part and then I'll go to the second part. So the dog is, I need to look in the pictures for a picture with a dog and a cat. I see, oh, Jay. Jay has a dog and a cat. Okay. So in the picture, where is the dog? The dog is blank the blank. Where is the dog? The dog is next to the bookcase. So the preposition is next to. I write next to on the line. and then I put a red box around it to remind me that that is the preposition. Okay? And then to complete my sentence, what is the dog next to? The dog is next to the bookcase or the dresser. Dog is next to the dresser. And then I highlight dresser in yellow because that is the location of the dog. I do not put a period at the end because I need to finish my sentence, right? So now I'm not looking at this part of the sentence, I'm only looking at the end of the sentence. And the cat is blank the blank. The second noun that I am looking for is the cat. So now in this same picture, J, I need to describe where the cat is. The cat is, and I see the cat is sitting on this thing. The cat is on top of, so my preposition is on. I put a red box around on. On the where is, or what is the cat on? The cat is on the dresser. Okay, so the dog was next to the dresser, but the cat is on the dresser. So to complete my sentence, on the dresser, period at the end, and I highlight dresser in yellow because that is the location of the cat. Now, if I look at number 3, number 3 has no sentence frame for me. So this means that you need to write your own. So I need to choose my own sentence or my own picture here and write my own sentence using the frames that I have used. So I choose a picture that I want to describe, and I want to describe C. C is what I'm going to use for number 3. So I look at the picture first. Okay, part 1, look at the picture. I see that there's a cat. Okay, so I think my subject, what I am describing is the cat. Okay. So number 3, I'm going to write the cat. I highlight the cat in blue because that is the noun I am describing. After the cat, and I'm going to use these other 2 sentences for help, I have the word is. The word is tells me I need to describe about the cat. So the cat is, I write is. After is, I need to say where the cat is. So I look back at C. And the cat is, using my prepositions, the cat is behind this thing. So I write the preposition behind next to is, and then I put a red box around is to tell me that that's the preposition. And then I need to finish the sentence. Where is the cat? The cat is behind what? The cat in C is behind the computer. So to finish my sentence, I need to write the computer. Period at the end, and I highlight it yellow because that is the location of the cat.